Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the Cooler Master GA2501. This is Cooler Master's latest monitor, which is creating waves in both the working and also the gaming communities. Let's dive in and let's see what makes this monitor a fantastic, valuable choice. The Cooler Master GA2501 is packed with features that promise exceptional performance whether you're gaming or working. Starting with its 24.5-inch screen size, which is a subtle but noticeable upgrade from the standard 24-inch monitors. This 25-inch class monitor provides a nice sweet spot for 1080p, giving you just a bit more screen real estate without compromising on pixel density. One of the standout features of this monitor is its 100Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology. This basically means that whether you're gaming at high frame rates or low frame rates, a variable or a change in your frame rates, the screen does not tear. Speaking of smooth visuals, the GA2501 boasts an impressive 1 ms RPT and 4 ms GTG response time. All of this is thanks to its 100Hz IPS panel. This combination reduces motion blur and ghosting, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable and your work tasks more efficient. For all of you workhorses out there, whether you're spending 4 hours or 8 hours or 10 or 12 hours looking at your display, Cooler Master has got you covered with its eye care technology. This monitor comes with low blue light emission and flicker-free displays. So do not worry, the strain in your eyes will be reduced. Connectivity options are essential for any monitor, and the GA2501 doesn't disappoint by providing a versatile range of one HDMI port, one VGA port, and a 3.5mm audio output. You may be wondering why in 2024, Cooler Master is making a monitor with no display port but a VGA port. There's a good explanation behind it. You see, there are many of us who are still stuck with older generation of hardwares, and there are plenty of people in the office sectors who are still running with VGA ports on their computers. So if you're actually looking for a good alternative upgrade to your current monitor, and you want something that doesn't really worry you about compatibility, here you go. The design of the GA2501 is minimalistic and functional. It sticks to the basics with a no-nonsense approach that will seamlessly fit into any work or play setup. It also offers tilt adjustment from 95 degrees all the way up to 20 degrees. This allows you to find the perfect viewing angle. The monitor comes with a plastic stand. For those of you who want to do away with the stand, this monitor supports VESA mounts. Besides all the specifications and everything, there is one particular thing that I love about this monitor. It's the weight of this monitor. Honestly, this thing is so light. It's the lightest monitor I've actually ever carried. So who is this monitor for? The thing with this monitor is, with its pricing of RM389, it can just be for anybody. If you're a parent looking for a new monitor for your kid, RM389 is not going to burst your pockets. If you're a gamer just breaking out into the scene, it's a pretty damn good monitor. If you're a professional looking for a secondary monitor to complement your current monitor or your setup, it's a really good choice. Given whatever I've told you today, let me know what do you think about the monitor in the comment sections below. But most importantly, do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. Thank you and see you all in the next one.